Come through on your right hand side, okay? Thank you. Such rush packing, I've got 2 left-handed gloves. It's kind of awkward. Oh, I'm off to a good start on my wheels bunged up with grass. So I'm off to a great start. Yeah, fine, thank you. Oh. Start to know that. There we go. I think it's all out. I was going to record a video there, but some weirdo with a dog. Yeah, well done. Good driving. Morning. That's that side it was. Now it's done. First time I see somebody lose the water bottle. It's nice as that side it was. Now it needs to soak. Hit you with nail. As nice as that side it was, now I need to soak it up with blackjack.
You've got to, so I'll borrow one of yours.
Sounds like a deal, doesn't it? I don't think I'm going to be going through there. Food, glorious food, cold jelly and custard. What the hell, let's give it a go. Oh, that's Club Lincolnshire. Kick didn't last long. Just had a spectacular crash. Nice graze, look at that, little war wound. Look at those. I feel like I'm on Gladiators. Very carefully put the shoes in the gaps. Asking everybody if they can do a Eureka as well, like the exclamation mark. Eureka. Black coffee. You do a Eureka?
Just the normal standard.
Yeah.
Eureka.
I'm not really a bit miffed about that.
What?
These are my glasses.
I must go put them somewhere.
No, that's nothing about it. I just don't know what I've done with them. Haven't a clue. No idea.
Well, perhaps somebody else will make good use of them. I'm recording people saying Eureka today as well. But it's got an exclamation mark at the end, so you have to say it like Eureka! That's it. That's the one.
It's not so much that, but I like to look after my kit.
Yeah.
And it's not the monetary value. It's the fact that it's something that I need to stop.
Yeah. Crap in your eyes, yeah. Then I'm going to remix all the Eurekas together and make a dance track out of it. It'll get us both in.
So we're out with John today. Who's John? John is Mr. Organised, and so far today John's lost his brevet card, he's lost his glasses, and now he's just realised he's lost a charging cable as well. So that's the hat trick. At least you got the 3. There was 3, yeah.
You haven't lost your brevet card really, have you? And the question, Wentbridge, the T-junction, name of the cottage, the Blue Gate. Sounds easy enough, but I didn't see any Blue Gate.
The tale of John's missing glasses comes to a conclusion. They were picked up in...
How you got them back?
By another rider who put them in his house. John, there you go, sir. Thank you. Reunited at last.
I think the council forgot about this road, Brandon.
Yes, definitely, yes. There are no councillors living down here.
Councillors?
No councillors living down here.
And that's how it works, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
Got left here. Scrooby-Dooby-Doo! Oh, I do like to pee beside the seaside. Scrooby-Dooby-Doo! Well, that was interesting. Quite thirsty, so I just had just a mouthful out of the stream. Look how clear that water is. I could drink out of that. No, really I could. What, is that what it is? Just reached the first control. Not in third point, but first real control. 10 minutes to spare. Can you believe it? 10 minutes to spare. Scrooby-Dooby-Doo! I'm sure it's not that.
There you go.
Oh God.
There you go, it is, isn't it? Yeah.
It's not that comfy. Scrooby-Dooby-Doo!
Obviously, if you're a child and you haven't got the, you'd be a bit lower down.
Yeah. I like that, that's good fun. Okay, I think that's enough.